Hi, this is Vivek here from Trade Stocks 360 and welcome to our channel. Today, we will analyze how to trade Nifty in June 14 to June 18th week 2021 in Indian markets. Let us look at Nifty 50's charts. First, we will look at the weekly chart of Nifty 50. In weekly chart of Nifty 50, we are able to see that the weekly chart is taking a support at the rising trend line, what has been drawn here. It indicates that weekly Nifty is very positive and any support at the weekly trend line can give a bounce back to higher levels. Right now, it's actually very bullish in weekly charts. It's the latest candle of the weekly chart is a hanging man pattern. The hanging man pattern ideally is a pattern which signifies a reversal of the trend from the top to bottom. But we don't have a confirmation candle yet. So don't go negative. So we can go bullish if today's, like this week's high is getting breached above in a 15 minutes, like above 15,835, if it's reaching above, still we can go above. But don't go negative, even though it's a hanging man kind of a pattern, because the confirmation candle is what can confirm it's going negative. Right now, it's purely bullish. So go above 15,835, go positive. Don't go negative using the weekly charts. There's no negativity here. Fib levels, which can act as resistance when it's going higher, are 15,910 and 16,109. So keep these levels in mind when you're trading it. So because there could be some corrections from that levels, or there could be when it goes above from this level, then check the next level what it can go to. Fib levels of support are 15,563 and 15,420. But I would not tell you to go negative, but these are levels from where it can bounce back and come back. That's what I would say. But keep these levels in mind for that. Next, we will go to the daily charts of Nifty. Here we see something called as that's it's still bullish here, but it's not very bullish here. It's slightly bullish. It's having a higher high candle, higher low candle, and a doji kind of a candle. It is mildly bullish. It is also taking a support of a trend line here. So wait for the decision to be taken. Means like you wait for a close above 15,835 or a close below that day's low, which is around 15,750 or something like that. Only below that or above that, take a decision. Till that time, it's better to wait. That's what we can understand from this daily chart. But it is more of a bullish base here too. It is also following a rising trend line. It is bullish above 15,835. So if you look at one day chart, if any close happens above 15,835, please go long. If a close below 15,550 in a daily chart only can be bearish. That's what we can understand from here. I go to the hourly chart. In hourly chart, it's very sideways. It is not having any direction, but with a little bit of positivity. From 15,754, it has got to 15,800. So basically, it's a little bit bullish, but sideways market, not very huge upside. An hourly close below 15,750 can take it down, and the hourly close above 15,835 can take it up. So wait for those levels to get breached before taking a decision there. Between this range of 835 and 750, please, it will go sideways. So don't do a trade here. Avoid it. The summary is that the range could be close to 400 to 420 points in the coming week, the low to high, and trade ideally when it reaches the high of the current week, which is like above 15,835, you can start going long. Try avoiding a short here. The bullish bias is there, but the hanging man pattern, wait for this close to go above there, only then try to go long, otherwise don't go. The range could be 15,700 to 16,100 if it is a bullish week coming week. If it is a bearish week, or if 15,835 is not getting breached, then it will be bearish. So that time we can expect a range between 15,450 to 15,800. So wait and take a decision. It is not take a leap in the coming week. It is about wait and watch and then take a decision to trade. That's what is the understanding in the coming week. So trade safely. The summary is that weekly charts is indecisive with a bullish bias. Bank Nifty is very range bound and sideways. Maybe if Bank Nifty rallies, then Nifty can rally. So keep an eye on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty will be sideways, but if it rallies, then Nifty also will rally and it can go to very higher levels. Nifty Pharma and Nifty IT are looking very positive. So if it's going positive, those particular stocks in Nifty Pharma and Nifty IT, you can take it long. Metals had a very late rally on Friday after 130 or 230. So if they have a follow through, they could have a follow through in the coming week and follow that. Possibly Nifty Pharma, Nifty IT, and Nifty Metals are the sectors to focus on in the coming week to trade on if they are going up and giving a follow through. Be sector and stock specific in the coming week till bullishness is till bullishness is not shown. So be sector and stock specific. Have a positive bias, but chase the rally only above 15,835. Any daily close below 15,600, you can go negative. So only then it's negative. Till that time, you should not go negative or try to sell some things. Try to go positive above 15,835. 15,600 to 15,835. Wait and watch. That's what is the summary for coming week. Thank you. And please like, share, and subscribe this video if you like it.